Welcome. Today let's walk through a quick and easy guide to set up alert notifications for X for Professionals on your Android device. This updated process ensures you never miss a crucial update, keeping you connected to all the professional action right from your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and head to your home screen. Look for the Settings app. It's usually the icon shaped like a gear. Tap on it to open your phone's Settings menu. Next, scroll down until you spot the option labeled Apps. This is where you manage everything related to the apps installed on your device. Find and tap on Apps to bring up your full list of applications. Once you're there, search the list until you see the X app. You might need to scroll or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of apps installed. Tap on the X app to access its individual app settings. Now, inside the X app settings, look for the Notifications section. Tap on Notifications to view all of the notification options for X. Here, you have control over what kinds of alerts the app can send you. Within the Notifications settings, tap on Notification Categories. This menu lets you customize notifications for different features and activities within X. Scroll or search for X for Professionals. Tap on this specific category to adjust how you receive alerts related to your professional interactions. Finally, select Alert. This setting ensures the notifications for X for Professionals are set as alerts, not just silent updates. So you'll get loud, clear reminders anytime something important happens. And that's it. You've now successfully set up alert notifications for X for Professionals on Android. With these steps, you'll be ready to respond quickly and stay informed about every professional opportunity and update that comes your way.